Hello my dear friends, today let's bake quiche. The ingredients we'll have today, we got flour, salt, very chilled water, very chilled butter, bacon, fresh cream, Emmentaler, white pepper, mushroom, eggs, leek. The last you're gonna have a 28 centimeters baking tray. Okay, now the salt is blended in. I'm gonna gradually put the butter cubes good. Just want to make sure the butter is all the way into the flour. Looks good. Nothing stick in the bottom. Good. Now I'm gonna add very chilled water. Each pack of flour has different ability of absorbing the liquid, so I'm gonna start with 3 tablespoons, and then we'll take it from there. One more. Oh, that's more like it. See? It's pretty much making sure that I will be able to knead them into a nice chunky dough. That's it. I'm gonna take it all out and knead it by hand from. This is when the butter and the water chilled. It's so nice because my hand is hot. And you really don't want this liquid, the dough to be greasy. The less my hot hands touch the better. That's why I'm using the gear to help me out to gather everything. Don't waste any good quality of ingredients here. Into the fridge for half an hour, and then let's chop the ingredients. been around half an hour. The batter is nicely chilled. Let's roll it out. So I'm gonna use my hand to flat it a bit and making sure it's a round shape. And we'll take it from there. See the butter? That's fine. It will turn to very delicious crust. Before I carry on, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna come back and decorate the edges of my pie, my quiche. Savory pie, whatever you call it. This is really, really delicious and simple to make. Now, by the way, my pie tin is a non-stick coating, a ceramic non-stick coating with a heavy bottom. It allows me not to do any non-stick process. For example, coating the butter and sprinkle the flour before I layer my dough on it. You can totally skip this part. It's just me wanted the pie to look a little bit cuter. And I really like this rustic look with a hand touch on it. This is sort of personal. Now you literally can see the dough is still quite soft and lay down on the surface of the pie tin. You can tell when it's done in the oven when the dough slightly moved away, the edges slightly moved away from the tray, from the baking form. Okay, today is 38 degrees Celsius in Munich. This is what I will do. Before the eggy mixture is done, I'm gonna pop this pie bottom into the fridge until it's ready. This is gonna go into an oven for 180 degrees 30 minutes. From there, I am going to turn up the heat to 200 fans for the last 5 to 8 minutes to give this a beautiful golden surface. This is a great bottle of very chilled white wine from Germany, and normally it matches really well together. Now, it's been out of the oven for a few minutes, a little bit cooled down. I'm gonna cut a piece, and it's gonna be dinner for me and my husband. And normally a pie like this will last for 2 dinners. Even if you reheat it again in the oven, it's still very, very, very delicious. Still quite hot. That's the reason why I let it cool down for a few minutes, because you see, when it's still very hot, the bottom part, or this part, is still very, very crispy and a bit, as you can see, the steam. crispy and flaky. It's really nice. I'm gonna start with this part. I'm gonna see the steam. Oh, so good. See, even the bottom part is golden brown, lightly golden brown. Thank you, my friend Lisa, who's giving me this recipe. Cheers.